Did the Easter Bunny come?
Yeah.
She's watching Tron.
Zayla, where's the Easter Bunny? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, she is. Zayla, you see what the Easter Bunny brought? Look. Look. You see? Oh, I think she got it now. What is that?
Wow.
She goes for Lily.
Is that Lily's?
Is that Lily's basket?
Egg.
Oh, what's in there? What's in there?
Chocolate.
You love Raisinets. Enjoy, because it'll be the only one I let you have. Thank you.
Where's your Easter Bunny basket?
So why didn't you fight?
Yeah, you were in there.
Who fed on my resistance?
Look, Boo Boo, look. What's in there? What's in the
That's your basket, you silly goose. She's eating candy.
I know. All gone.
Thank you. Yeah, candy on your CD. Is that your car? Is that your new car?
Happy Easter, Zaylee. Love you.